Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to demo one operation like how to delete an Apex class in the Salesforce org without manually clicking on this delete button. Assume there is a requirement to delete an Apex class in the production instance. So in that scenarios, what we can do is without logging into Salesforce org, we can delete it using the Workbench. So I'll go to the Workbench tab. I already logged into my Workbench, and then I am clicking on this migration tab and click on this deploy. So if you want to deploy any metadata component using a Workbench, the only operation is you have to create a zip file and then upload the zip file to it and click on the next button. So I'll explain the format of this zip file, what it contains. It contains mainly two things. One is a package.xml file, one is a destructive changes.xml file. I'll open those two files. So this is the package.xml file. It is the normal traditional way of mentioning what components you want to deploy to your Salesforce. Or now in our scenario, I don't want to deploy any new components to my Salesforce org, so that's why in package.xml file I have not mentioned any component type, but instead I want to delete a component in my Salesforce org, so that's why I have created one destructive changes.xml file, and then in this destructive changes file I have added my component type as an Apex class, and my Apex class name is dummy class. So for this delete operation we need to create these two files, and then we have to zip these two files. I'm zipping these two files. I'm naming it as destructive changes. Now I will go to my Workbench and choose file. I'll choose the file and click on open. So here you have to select the single package operation, and also if you want to check how the operation will be, then you have to click on this checkbox, but I don't want to check. I directly want to deploy it. I'll click on next button. It will show you one warning message saying that this cannot be rolled back. I am okay with it. I'll click on deploy button. It is processing now. You can see here loader is coming, and then it's successful. I'll click on the component success. I'll click on the classes. So if you see, component type is Apex class. Deleted flag is it is showing as true, so the dummy class has deleted. So we'll check whether in the Apex classes this class is existed or not. I'll click on the Apex classes, then I clicked on the D. So here you can see there is no Apex class for dummy class. That's it for today.